Hi guys, welcome to my channel Manoj Tech Coding. Please like and subscribe my channel. Today I am explaining about polymorphism in C++. A polymorphism to achieve the polymorphism by using compile time and runtime. I already done the previous video is about compile time polymorphism but only function overloading available on that video. In polymorphism the function overloading is available. Please watch that video. I will explain simply. So in this class I will explain about operator overloading. Operator overloading is nothing but in operator overloading they are divided into two types. Again they are unary operator and binary operator. First of all, what is operator overloading? Operator overloading means here by using operator sorry, first point is in operator overloading, instead of using operator we can use in operator overloading. Instead of using function we can use operator to do a particular task is called operator overloading. Or by using operator overloading we can do operations on user defined data types. Here we can do all operations except scope resolution operator, conditional operator, dot operator and size of operator. We can't overload these operators. And to achieve operator overloading divided into two ways. They are unary operator and binary operator. Unary operator means operator with one operand is called unary operator. Operator with two operands is called binary operator. I will give you an example and explain clearly. Unary operator means suppose the plus operator, this is the operator with one operand. Suppose here this is called unary operator. Binary operator means a plus b, that is called binary operator with two operands is called binary operator, like this. And we can say that by using operator overloading we can perform operations on two numbers. Suppose we can do addition. By using operator we can perform addition operations on two numbers, but it is not possible to perform operations on two objects. But it is possible with operator overloading to work with objects, to add objects, like that. Now I will explain by using best example to understand easily. So coming to unary operator. Unary operator means what I said, operator with one operand. Operator means it is nothing but C plus minus asterisk into anything. Operand means any letter, like that. It's called unary operator. Here and another one, to achieve unary operator by using the member operator as a member function. By using operator as a member function instead of member, in the space of member function we have to use operator to achieve the unary operator. So coming to the program, example include IO stream space std. Guys, I will explain again. Here IO stream is nothing but it contains input output functions to print to the display, or the inputs are taken from the user, like that. Coming to using namespace std, this is the interview question. What is the namespace, they will ask. Namespace is nothing but, suppose namespace helps in here. Namespace is helps in avoiding the ambiguity that may occur when two are when two identifiers have the same name. Suppose two identifier has the same name, so it avoids that to continue like that. That identifiers like we can say what means like functions. The name of the types is classes, variables, etc. like that. Coming to program, class or class name. I take an unary inside the class. Suppose and x and x. I am taking the constructor here. Class name, constructor name should be same. Unary. And taking like parameter with parameter means parameterized constructor I am taking. Suppose x equal to a and directly displaying here we display x. It is very easy, bro. Please understand this problem. Why I'm taking the operator. I told already. Here in unary operator, to achieve the unary operator, make the operator function as a class member function. I'm taking the operator function as a class member function. See here. Yeah. Mm, Operator with one operator is nothing but pre increment, pre decrement. These are we know that already. I'm taking pre increment. Okay. Inside this is the nothing but sorry uh, operator. Operator. Yeah, we're using void because the return type is void. I'm not reading anything, so that's why. Suppose x plus plus sorry, after that I will explain correctly. Int inside the main unary. I am taking one object obj because it constructor. I am passing 10 value 10. It will pass to a and assign to x, and when the object is created, it automatically called and it will print displayed. Stored when we call that will display. Obj dot display function. This is before. This is main purpose is what will happen in the code before incrementing, after incrementing. So that's why see out before incrementing. The before this is before, and after incrementing means here we have to first increment x increment like this. We have to write here increment here plus plus obj like this also we can call. Otherwise we know already obj dot operator p r a t o r function. Like this also we can call. Next, now see out. This is after incrementing. Now call that function obj.display. That's it. Return 0 means if the program will successfully done executed, it returns 0. That is that. Now using this program, something error will be there. I know. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, pi. This is the public. Okay. The answer will. Sorry for this. It will not showing to here. E G F O before 10 it will print, and what is this after 11. That's it. That's it, bro. Yeah, I think you guys understand this. It is very easy. Unary, I turn the part, and suppose when object is created, the constructor will automatically call. So that's why I pass it 10. When the pass I then pass it to a, and x is stored to the a is stored to x, and then when constructor is when object is created, constructor automatically called, and that when and we have to that will stored into x, and object is created and stored into x, and when we call obj.display, that x will be displayed, and we taken object this unary member function operator. Here it is not returning, we are not writing anything to return x like that. So that's why return type is void. If we return anything, suppose this is the object type, so that's why we have to write here unary. Why? Because returning unary type means object types, so returning means also like this unary. It will return, suppose it is not returning, so that's why write void. We also, if not return anything, it will become void. So like that. And after incrementing, we are seeing the after what happening before order. Before means 10, after 11. That is glad. Please subscribe and like my channel. I will do another video here in unary and binary contains with member functions, and with friend functions also available. I will do that video. Okay, thank you guys.